The Earth is surrounded by atmosphere which is made up of air. Air is a mixture of various gases like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, inert gases, dust, particles, and water vapors, etc. Observe this diagram. You can see the nitrogen occupies 78%, oxygen occupies 21%, and in 1% there is another gases. There are some uses of gases. The first gas is nitrogen, which is useful in airtight packaging of foodstuff, as well as nitrogen produce nitrate, which is useful in plants growth. Oxygen. Oxygen is very important for respiration and convection. Carbon dioxide, photosynthesis in plants and in fire extinguishing. Argon is useful in electric bulbs. Helium is used in generating lift in airship. Neon is useful in decorative lights and street lighting. Krypton is useful in fluorescent tubes. And last one is xenon, which is useful in flash photography. These are the some uses of gases. The next is air pollution. When harmful substances produced through the combustion are related to the air, it causes air pollution. Air pollution is caused by vehicles, industries, and other sources, and where incomplete combustion of fuels. In this picture, you can see the air pollution. The ozone layer. Ozone layer is very important for living creations. In the lower part of the stratosphere, there is a layer of ozone. The ultraviolet rays coming from the sun, which is very harmful for all living things. Ozone layer absorbs that ultraviolet rays. That is why ozone layer is known as a Earth's protective shell. And 16 September in every year we celebrate Ozone Protection Day.